In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like, and the original mesh was created by joining and combining two meshes. This mesh created from a prototype run before I recorded this tutorial. The idea is to merge vertices by distance to avoid joined meshes getting separated and randomly placed on the z-axis later. We must make sure we have cleaned the meshes well enough, so that we can never link select an old mesh. If you don't have a mesh circle in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. F to fill and E to extrude. Shift D to duplicate, and P to separate by loose parts. I'll extrude the upper mesh, and apply a wireframe modifier. We can apply the wireframe modifier without extruding, but that will remove the mesh if we go through the cleanup process later. The idea is to create a wireframe mesh with some space in the middle, so we can later merge only the lower part of the mesh. Please remember to apply the modifier before joining the meshes with Ctrl+J shortcut. Once joined, we must merge the vertices by distance. Please confirm the two meshes became one, by hovering over upper mesh and typing L to try to link select. If we don't make them into one mesh, the meshes will separate and move on to the random Z locations later. Let's apply the modifiers. Go to Edit Mode, type A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. In Object Mode, type M to put them into a new collection. If we can randomly move each mesh on the Z axis, we're done. It looks like the prototype mesh got stacked on the final render image. Here are the full composite nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.